Guys, this is Captain E3E with an airplane review. This time, Southwest Airlines 737 7H5. Southwest Airlines was introduced in 1968 by Herb DeKellar and started operations out of Dallas Love Field in the early 1970s. And basically, Southwest Airlines is for low fares to anywhere here in the States, and even now to San Juan, Puerto Rico. Let's take a preview alongside, starting first with the cockpit right there, and then the L1 cabin door, and come along the leading edge of the wing. It's one of the Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines. The registry number N416WN, or November 416 Whiskey November, is the registration of this aircraft. The APU, as you can see there, and the Southwest tiles on the tail of the aircraft, the registration come along the leading edges of the wings, and a Pratt & Whitney turbofan engine come along the port starboard side, right up to the cockpit, as you can see there. This aircraft in particular could hold around about 340 passengers and crew for domestic flights. Southwest Airlines could fly to almost anywhere here in the U.S. and is one of the premier airliners alongside the Irish-based Ryanair. Beautiful profile of the aircraft. I'll give you another profile. And that's it. Any aircraft I review, I'll post it on YouTube. And I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, see you later.